Hi my dazzlers, welcome back. Today I'm here with another celebrity inspired makeup look. This time it's Alia Bhatt, your favorite. I said it. You guys love it whenever I post an Alia Bhatt inspired makeup look, and I got so many DMs requesting me to do this makeup look. This is such a pretty look. This is a very fresh look and you can wear it without the bindi or the earrings and just pair it with your western outfit. And with this makeup look, you don't really look like you tried a lot. It just is so fresh and looks very cute. Today I wanted to try out new products. I ordered all my makeup from Amazon. I got 12 products under 5,000 rupees, so I think it is on the lower end, and you guys wanted to see such a video. 10 of them I haven't used before, but there are 2 which I have tried before, so I hope you will like this video. Also check the description box for the links to the products, and also if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And now let's get started. So I have under eye dark circles. I don't think many of you have. People who have, they can use an orange corrector like I will do right now, and people who don't, you guys are blessed. This is not for everyone. That is the reason why I did not include this orange color corrector in this makeup kit. But if you think you have dark circles, then I think you should go get it. Any orange color corrector will do. So I'll just apply it under my eyes. So the first thing I got is the primer, and I'm going to use the primer first. I got all these 12 makeup things from Amazon. The first thing I'm going to use is this Plume Silk Blur Moisturizing Primer. I did not open it before, I swear, and a lot of product came out. I really don't know how, but I'm just going to avoid that. Oh, it smells good. So I'm just going to take some and apply it all over my face. I haven't used this primer before. This is the first time I'm going to use it, and it says that it is a moisturizing primer with hyaluronic acid and avocado extract. Yeah, it is moisturizing, and I do love the fragrance. It's very refreshing. It also gets absorbed nicely, and it's really moisturizing. I can really feel it. The next thing I'm going to use is it's not a BB cream, it's a DD cream. I haven't heard of a DD cream. It's a skin corrector from Acte. So it's basically a BB plus a CC cream. It's got 10% niacinamide, anti-pollution and broad spectrum, which is SPF. It's got 25 and it's in the shade light. I really like the packaging. It looks like a premium product. I'm gonna take some at the back of my hand. Let me just dot it on this side and see if the color matches. Oh yeah, it's pretty good. So I'm just gonna apply it with my hands. I'm not gonna use a brush for this. I can already feel the matte texture. Forehead के blending में थोड़ा ज़्यादा time ले रहा है, but cheeks के blending में तो बिल्कुल भी time नहीं लगा. You just have to really put in a lot of effort blending this product. My skin definitely looks a lot brighter and it does look fresh. So I got the concealer from Palladio. It's the Under Eyes Disguise Full Coverage Concealer, and this is in the shade Creme Brulee. So I'm going to take some and I'll just use my finger. I'll also apply this on top of my eyelids, whatever's left on the brush. I should have got this in a darker shade. It's definitely not a full coverage concealer. It is a medium, light to medium coverage concealer. Now I'm going to set my under eye area, and I'm going to use the Inside Professional Banana Loose Powder. I'm going to dust some on the cap, and then take it and apply it in my under eye area. And I'm going to bake it because I want the powder to create some extra coverage. I am going to do my eyebrows now, and this is the Mars 3D Eye Makeup Eyebrow Pencil, and I'm just going to fill my eyebrows in. Next, I'm just going to dust off the powder. You can see over here, it's already coming off. Now my nose looks horrible and I don't know what to do right now. It's just literally peeling off. What should I do? Should I apply it one more time and just try and cover it up? I don't even know what to do. I really don't know what to do. I should just take it on the brush and try and... I really don't know if it's the Acte DD cream or the concealer. I'm just gonna give it another try and I'm gonna be right back. So this time I applied the Acte DD cream with the brush, and it just looks perfectly fine. Okay, looks good. Now I'm going to use the concealer, the Palladio concealer. I'm just going to apply a little bit, not much, and then try to blend it. When I'm using a brush, it's just creating strokes, but when I'm using my fingers, it's just blending really nicely. I'm just trying to keep my calm and just seeing whose fault it is. But now I think it is coming together. Okay, so given a second chance, I think now things are coming together. I am going to use the banana powder again. I think I just used too much product the first time. So I'm just going to use a little bit of powder just to set this area. Yeah, now it's looking good. So finally my base is done. Now I'm going to apply eyeshadow, and for my eyeshadow I picked this Swiss Beauty Ultimate Shadow Palette in the shade 05. This eyeshadow palette is actually perfect for beginners because it's got the basic browns and it's also got a black and it's also got shimmer in it. So yeah, it's a really nice palette. Now I just have to check how the pigment. I have used Swiss Beauty eyeshadow palettes before and the pigmentation is incredible. So I'm going to use this eyeshadow and I'm going to use it in the crease of my eyes. This is a very soft look. And I'm also going to apply it all over my eyelids. I am going to take this mid-brown shade and I'm just going to apply it on my lower lash line. Brush I'm using is the PAC 206 brush, and I'm going to take this brown again, the mid-brown again, and just apply it on my lash line. And I'm not going to take it above, just apply it on my lash line. I'm going to take the darkest brown and just apply it very lightly. Now I'm going to take this Kajal. This is the Maybelline New York Colossal Super Black Kajal, and I don't think I have used it before. I really don't remember. Wow, it's actually really black. Just going to apply it on my lower lash line. Try to be very neat with it because Alia does not have it smudged. She does not have a black kajal on top of her lids, so I'm just going to tight line it because she has it tight lined. So I'm just going to tight line my eyes. I'm very impressed with the kajal. For my mascara, I'm just going to use my all-time favorite. It's the Colossal Mascara. It's the waterproof one. Okay, break time. I just applied 2 coats of the mascara and now we're gonna blush, highlight and contour. For the contour, I ordered my Glam Posy, or is it Pose? Oh, it's actually Whenever, Wherever Pose. So it is my Glam Pose HD Bronzer Duo. It looks very pretty, very impressed with the packaging. It's got 2 shades. This is a bit warmer and this is a bit cooler. So I'm just going to take the warmer one and apply it. Oh, it's really pigmented. I'm just dabbing it. And that's how pigmented it is. OMG. I'm very impressed. In case you're wondering which shade is this is in the shade Cinnamon Terracotta. The blush I'm going to use is from Kiro. It's their Glow On Blush Duo and it's in the shade Classic Coral and Perfect Pink. So I'm going to pick up this color, the peach color, and just apply it on my cheeks. For my highlighter, I am going to use this Maybelline Master Chrome and I love this. This is a very good dupe of Mary Luminizer. I'm just going to highlight the high points of my face. I won't use much highlighter because it's more of a very fresh look. Just put it in the inner corners of my eyes. Now the final touch, the lipstick. The lipstick I'm going to use today is from Inside. It's their Matte Lip Ink and this is in the shade Desert Taupe number 6. Oh my god, I love the shade. So now I'm going to apply it all over my lips. The shade alone is very, very pretty. It's just beautiful, and I would definitely, love to wear it on an everyday basis. But Alia's lip shade is a little bit more coral than this. So I'm going to use a coral lipstick, and you can use any coral lipstick that you have. And I'm just going to add it on top of it. The only thing left is the bindi, and I'm just going to use the La Cara E010 brush. It's a very fine tipped brush, and just create a cute bindi. I just created this cute bindi, and now the look is complete. She's wearing big earrings, so maybe I'm gonna grab some earrings, so be right back. Alright guys, so this is my finished makeup look. I hope you liked it, and if you did, then don't forget to recreate it and tag me on my Instagram. It's Sushdazzles. I would be really happy to see you guys try it out. Also like this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Don't forget to check the links in the description box below, and I'm gonna see you in my next video. Till then, go forth and dazzle.